Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through how to register for the AliExpress affiliate program in 2024 and explain how it works. If you've been looking to start affiliate marketing or explore new income streams, this video will break it down step by step. Let's get started. AliExpress is a popular platform where you can find almost anything at very low prices. It attracts more than 1 billion visitors from around the world each month. Many people use AliExpress to source products for resale, while others join its affiliate program to earn commissions by promoting products. The AliExpress affiliate program is a great opportunity for beginners because it offers good commissions and plenty of tools to help you grow. To start, go to the AliExpress website by typing aliexpress.com into your browser. Once you're on the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Under the section labeled Collaborate with Us, you'll see an option for the affiliate program. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the affiliate sign-up page. On the sign-up page, you'll see a button labeled Start Earning. Click on it and you'll be taken to the registration form. Fill out your personal details, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to provide an email address you use frequently, as you'll need to verify it during the registration process. Next, you'll need to provide some details about your promotional methods. If you have a website, enter its information in the required field. If you don't have a website, don't worry. You can use social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest to promote products. Simply select the platform you plan to use and provide the necessary details. Once everything is filled out, click Submit and your application will be processed. After your account is approved, you can start browsing AliExpress's extensive catalogue of products to promote. The platform offers a generous 9% base commission rate, which is higher than many other affiliate programs, including Amazon. AliExpress also runs special offers on certain products where commissions can go even higher. You'll earn a commission every time someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase. Now, let's talk about promoting the products. One of the simplest ways to start is by creating content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. For example, on TikTok, you can create short videos showcasing a product and in your bio include your affiliate link. You don't need to show your face if you're uncomfortable. You can simply demonstrate how the product works. If you prefer not to make videos, Pinterest is another excellent platform. On Pinterest, you can create pins with product images and descriptions linking directly to the AliExpress products. You can use free tools like Canva to design attractive pins that catch people's attention. Look at what others are doing on Pinterest for inspiration. Many people redirect traffic from Pinterest to blogs or directly to affiliate links, which is very effective. AliExpress also provides its affiliates with a wealth of resources to help them succeed. These include tutorials, promotional tools, and tips for targeting the right audience. This support system is especially helpful for beginners as it guides you in building your promotional skills while earning commissions. To summarize, you'll register for the AliExpress affiliate program, find products to promote, create content on platforms like TikTok or Pinterest, and drive traffic through your affiliate links. It requires dedication, creativity, and some trial and error, but it's a great way to start earning online. That's it for this tutorial. Now, if you want to make serious money from affiliate marketing, but you're not getting enough clicks or conversions, I've found the best resource to help you. Click the link in the description for a free guide with more information.